Hi, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to quickly turn your Figma designs into a PowerPoint presentation. So first is you wanna type your Figma into the search engine that you use and click on the first link that pops up here. And then in the Figma dashboard, you can select a frame and click on the right panel, which is export. So from here, you're gonna have the choices to either export it in PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. So I'm just gonna use the PNG one and export it. So now you're gonna want to open your PowerPoint, insert a blank slide, click on Insert, Pictures, and this device. So from here, your frame is already inserted in the PowerPoint and you can either drag it, resize it to have a perfect fit for your slide. So that's it, easy as that. You can now convert your Figma frames to your PowerPoint presentations. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more.